cousin slime. And let me just tell you, this is absolutely disgusting. It's like this. I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick and throw this in the trash can because it's mushy, hard. Ugh. So I'm a gummy bear. This is disgusting. Yeah, yeah. Yay! So that was just grody and disgusting and all that. Disgusting. I'll be ending this video. I'm sorry it was just 1 minute because I just reviewed my cousin's slime. Yeah. And look at this magic trick. If you do like that and then erase the top of it, it says love. How cool is that be? I love you. It's hard, guys. I know.